Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. Hi. So I here again guys with another reaction video to Christopher aka College from the group RBD, and this is a song live version Light Up the World tonight. So someone recently commented on this and I was like, oh, let me go listen to that. Let me react to that real quick. I have so much list to react to. So since I'm out of town, I'm gonna get ready to go back home to the South Florida soon. I was like, you know what, let me react to some of these videos real quick. And I was like, you know, I really do like Christopher. And the person was like, you know, since you like him so much, why did you react to this song? And I was like, you know what, you're right. So, well, now we're here. Ooh, I need to go get my hair cut.
¿Se lo están pasando bien?
Oh, I love him. He looks so much better with facial hair.
La siguiente canción es una canción que de corazón se las quiero dedicar a todos ustedes por todo el apoyo y por estar siempre con nosotros, y siempre vamos a recordar esta noche. Siempre. Necesito que me ayuden a cantar la siguiente canción.
I look like this was in Rio or something.
This is Light Up the World tonight.
That guy look like, oh, those are the same two that was playing the guitar in the 2006 Walmart soundtrack.
Can you hear me? Can you see me? I'm trying to find hope.
Michael Jackson steps.
Up into my body, can you feel the electricity from me? Flashing lights everywhere, no time to look. Stop the set, just ready to let it be. Get crazy! Everybody!
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Venus Simone Estrella, with every shot cada instante. Venus Simone Estrella, with every shot cada instante. Shining just like the stars, we're gonna light up the world tonight. Shining just like the stars, we're gonna light up the world. We're gonna light up the world tonight.
Oh, I just love his energy.
Every moment in my life, every day that passes by, I just try to be myself. Yeah, this is who I need to be. Let the music set you free. If you're in need of pill, get crazy. Everybody. Venus Simone Estrella, with every shot a cada instante. Venus Simone Estrella, with every shot a cada instante. We're shining just like the stars. We're gonna light up the world tonight. We're shining just like the stars. We're gonna light up the world. We're gonna light up the world tonight. We're gonna light up the world tonight.
So he too, I guess I'm assuming he too also have a solo career outside the group.
We're gonna light up the world tonight.
The reason why I said college so much, I love this. He looks so good. He looks so good. Right here. The reason I call him college so much is he's so energetic. And seeing this right now, remember when I went to my first ultra when I was in college back in like 2012, 2013. When I went to the ultra, it was like 750 plus US dollars for the 3 days at a concert, and it was just like this. So memories. I'm thirsty. That man looks so good. Water does the body good. So good. Okay. Okay, with his rock star moment, his solo moment. My question is though, does he have a solo career outside of RBD, as how Anna have hers as well? A lot of people inform me, and I know Alfonso goes into acting. So I know Christian, and one of the other girls also have a solo career. So I'm assuming all of them have their old solo career outside of RBD or after RBD, to be exact. I really do enjoy that. I really do like him. I really do think they're all a very attractive group, but it's like something about Alfonso and Christopher just brings out my stage of life. Yeah. Yeah. Like Christian would be my friend. The dark hair one, she would definitely be my friend if I go to school with her. Goth all day, goth, skulls, demons all day. The redhead, probably like a cheerleader, someone who I went to class with. The blonde hair, same way, probably someone I went to class with. But like Alfonso, like Christian would be my best friend. Alfonso would be someone who I meet at night. and Christopher would be the one who, no further question. But I want to say I really do enjoy that. He's very rock-ish. I'm getting like a rock-esque from it, which I do like. This Latin pop group as well, they do have the rock feeling to their group, so I really do like it. So thanks to the one who recommended to react to this. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.